How to split an image in Photoshop. To split an image in Photoshop, first go to View, Guides, then New Guide Layout. A new guide layout window will pop up. In the window, check Columns and enter the desired number of vertical divisions. Check Rows and enter the number of horizontal divisions. Make sure Gutter is set to 0px, then click OK. You'll now see guides dividing your image on the canvas. In the toolbar, locate the Crop tool, right-click on it, and choose the Slice tool. With the Slice tool active, click Slices from Guides in the top menu bar. Photoshop will now create slice regions based on your guide layout. To export the sliced images, go to File, Export, then Save for Web Legacy. In the Export window, you'll see the individual slices. Choose the desired file format, then click Save. In the next dialog, choose a location to save the files. Make sure All Slices is selected. Then, click Save again.